Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about dulse, and I've got some right here. And this is like a flaky, brownish, reddish sea vegetable, in case you're not familiar with what it is. And I've got a list of herbs and spices that go well with dulse. So if you're new to it and you're not sure what to do with it, hopefully this list will help you out. Herbs and spices that go well with dulse include capers, curry powder, dill, ginger, and parsley. Now, even though this list is short, it doesn't mean you can't throw a little dulse on there for a little seasoning of its own, because it's from the sea, so it has a little bit of a salty, umami kind of smoky flavor to it, so it can add a nice flavor of its own to whatever dish you want to add it to. I do hope this helps. Take care and bye for now.